If a shipping platform promises lightning-fast delivery, real-time tracking, seamless e-commerce integration, and partnerships with top-tier logistics providers, it sounds like the perfect solution for online businesses and frequent shippers. But is GoFo Express really as reliable as it claims to be? Or is it just another slick-looking service masking serious flaws? In this video, we take a deeper look into GoFoExpress.com, a company that presents itself as a modern last-mile logistics provider. But behind the sleek website and confident claims lie some troubling inconsistencies. For starters, their domain was only registered in 2023, despite suggesting a long-standing presence and experience in the logistics space. That alone raises questions, but it doesn't stop there. Privacy concerns have surfaced, with reports indicating that user data might be routed through servers based in China, an issue that should not be taken lightly, especially for businesses handling sensitive customer information. Then there's the company's online presence or lack thereof. Their website includes social media icons that lead nowhere, which is often a red flag for transparency and authenticity. On top of that, GoFo Express currently holds a concerning 1.4-star rating on Trustpilot, with over 140 reviews, most of them negative. Customers report undelivered packages, confusing tracking updates, delayed responses from customer service, and even serious accusations of package theft involving their delivery staff. These complaints are echoed in Reddit threads and shipping forums, where users share similar frustrations and unresolved issues. While the idea behind GoFo Express sounds promising and much needed in today's fast-paced e-commerce world, the execution seems to be far from ideal. So is this a young company facing growing pains, or are we looking at a poorly managed platform built on marketing rather than reliability? Watch through to see all the facts laid out clearly and decide for yourself whether GoFo Express is a service worth trusting or a risk you'd rather avoid.